Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the store locator function on the Samsung.com website, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device, then you should go to your home page and then scroll down to the bottom to the shop section and tap on store locator. Now you should type in the name of the store or the location into this search bar on the left side, and here you can also find two options, so tap on it and you can check it out on the map. If you tap on it, you will be directed to the store's website and you can find the link to it and also the exact location and address, so feel free to check it out, and you can check out the product categories in the store as well. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.